Assalamu alaikum, your anchor person Sidra Saqib live from Saudi Arabia with breaking news. Murid ke inflation drug dealers attack a worker house in Abadi Mubarakabad, butcher torture on worker wife, daughter, millions of jewelry, cash looted, house set on fire. Police start action at worker wife request. The protest along with his wife and daughter said that the influential drug dealer Chaudhry along with his accomplices attacked the house without any reason, looted 2 grams of gold jewelry worth rupees 80,000 in cash, set the house on fire and fled, applied to the police, but the accused could not be arrested. Punjab Chief Minister should help us as the accused are threatening to kill them. Liaqatpur, the mega sewerage project approved 2 years ago, has not been completed yet. The work was started by the administration 3 months ago, but the administration left the work unfinished and ran away. Residents of several colonies put pictures up to 30 feet in the middle of the link road. Liaqatpur mega sewerage. The project has not been completed yet, due to which the sewerage system of the entire city has been disreputed. The work was started by the administration 4 months ago, but the link between the administration and Gausia colony is 30 feet between the road. Residents of Gausia colony, who have been suffering for 3 months, went on strike today. Nowshera District Police Officer Dr. Muhammad Iqbal met members of 4 DRCs of Nowshera and appreciated the role of DRCs. Issues order for detailed discussion and immediately resolution of issues faced by DRC members. Dispute Resolution Council DRC is the type of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa Pashtun culture jirga. The DRC have kept the tradition of the Pakhtunkhwa alive and have resolved the disputes of people free of cost and properly. Transactions in the DRC are being handled efficiently. As a result, business and the business community continue to thrive. Inshallah, women are also being represented in DRC soon. This will help in handling cases related to women. Saudi ambassador meets Pakistan Interior Minister Sheikh Rashid. Saudi Arabia ambassador to Pakistan Nawaf bin Said Al Mulkai has called on Federal Interior Minister Sheikh Rashid Ahmad. Issue of mutual interest including Pakistan-Saudi Arabia relation were discussed during the meeting. According to the statement issued by the Pakistani Interior Minister, the Saudi ambassador raised the issue of alleged involvement in the 2011 assassination of the Saudi Arabia ambassador in Karachi. Interior Minister Sheikh Rashid said that the killing of the Saudi diplomat in Pakistan was the worst act of terrorism. The incident was apparently aimed at straining relations between Pakistan and Saudi Arabia. The predators of terrorism will not be able to escape the law. The accused will definitely be punished. What will be the duty timing for the private sector in Ramadan? The Minister of Human Resources has said that duty hours in the private sector will be 6 hours during Ramadan. Safety measures will be strictly adhered to while on duty in all areas. All employees must take special care of SOPs, avoid shaking hands and ensure social distance. Earlier, the minister has fixed 5-hour duty hours in the public sector during Ramadan. Government department will be open from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m.